Hello, hello. Hope you're doing well. Today, I'm here to show you how to add and edit a user level shipping address. So first things first, you need to make sure you have permission from your company before you do this. So keeping that in mind, we'll go up to the top right corner of your screen, click on the My Account button, and in the menu that appears, click on the My Account button again. Once we get to your account page, you'll want to scroll down until you find the addresses section of your dashboard, and then you'll click on the Edit Shipping Address button. On this page here, you'll be able to see all the shipping addresses, and to create a new shipping address, you just click on the Add Shipping Address button below. Once we get to this page here, you just need to fill in all the required information. And once you have all the required information filled in, we'll click on the Add Address button. Now the shipping address will have been added successfully. So we can go back to the products page, for example, and then go in the top right, click on the My Account button, and you can click the Change Shipping Address button to see that it's now in the list right here, as you can see. We select that, and now that has been selected as our shipping address. Now, to edit your shipping address, we need to go back to that page, the My Account page, scroll back down to your addresses section of your dashboard, edit your shipping address, and then on the list here, find the shipping address you wish to edit. You click on the Edit button here, and you can make any changes you wish to make. I hope this helps. You enjoy the rest of your day.